No, he's got Alicia on.
Oh, okay.
Meeting is being live streamed. Okay.
We gotta get, I mean, he's home.
That's what I'm saying.
So, let's get going.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or talk or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, Mr. Griffin. Mario Griffin. He hasn't connected audio.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good mo-
I like the button down shirt. Let me say this, you don't have, your thing is not even gonna start until, 9 o'clock. So.
It said 8:30 on the thing. I was just following that.
That's fine. Just zoom back in at 9 and I give the officer a half-hour grace period. So it might not even go until 9:30, but if the officer doesn't show up by 9:30, we'll dismiss the cases. So you can sit tight if you want to, or you can just zoom back in at 9.
Okay, I zoom back in at 9.
Very well.
All right.
Mr. Lampton, take your hat off, sir. All right, let's go. This is the City of Detroit versus Alicia Monique Owens, case number SP 121-06011. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of Ms. Owens, who appears by Zoom this morning.
All right. Well, the normal offer, it has in here Michigan defensive driving.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sign my lease.
That's cool.
However, the typical offer is drag racing for reckless. All right, drag racing for reckless. He has Michigan defensive driving. Also, I know you're not apprised probably of the face of the ticket, but there's no remarks setting forth any kind of at least minimum case for reckless. So I don't know if that's gonna. I want to let you know what the ticket says.
I appreciate that, Your Honor. Would I have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Goss at some point, or should we just?
All right, he's gonna join. He's gonna I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Hatcher.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, Mr. Let's do this. Let's get Mr. Lanton out of here. Mr. Lanton, I muted you. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself, Mr. Lanton. He can't hear me. Mr. Lanton, you have to unmute yourself. Ma'am, you're gonna have to go put some more clothes on yourself. Miss Gunn,
Yes.
you're gonna have to go put some more clothes on. All right, Mr. Lanton, you gotta go, unmute yourself. Hit that audio button on the far left corner of it. It's gonna say, it's gonna be able to give you to unmute.
Okay, all right. I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit versus, Drayshawn Amir Lanton, case number U59765721. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, let me, this is, now, you were in a program, right, sir, for some housing. The court also has a program called a street outreach program for housing. Do you want to try to get in this program, or are you're gonna take care of your housing through the program you're in?
I wanted to get in that program because this program talk about hiring me in for a busboy. You feel me? I'd rather take that job than go somewhere else. You feel me? Get myself straightened out.
So you're gonna be okay trying to get housing with that program?
With this program? No.
Yes.
Team wellness, no. They just giving me like a 90-day to get myself together, and they helping me doing it. So you feel me? I'm taking advantage of my opportunity.
So, sir, just for clarification, are you trying to stay in the program you in, or do you want the judge to put you in another one?
I would like the judge for me to put me in a different one. Oh shit. Always here over there. You need me to move the background?
No, I don't need you to move the background.
Okay.
Now, does this street outreach court, help him get any housing? Do you know that, Ms. Hatcher, or not?
I'm not sure about that one.
Let's get the case manager, for street outreach court on the line. See if we can, give him some help. All right, give us a minute, sir. Let's see if we can get somebody on the line to get some understanding about this program. I have this,
Do you think you can help me get into Covenant House?
I'm gonna see what we can do, all right?
Because Covenant House really was the best program. Team Wellness was my second choice.
Now, do you have any mental health issues?
No, I just be getting mad. Yep, I just be getting mad off of simple stuff.
So you feel you got some mental health issues?
No, sir.
Or what do you mean you just get mad off of simple stuff?
Stuff
You
I
don't see
still
that as
really.
being, you don't see that as being a problem? Obviously you do.
Yes, sir. Well, I can
Right?
control my anger though. I can control my anger sometimes.
So you get mad over simple stuff. And what do you do when you get mad?
I go smoke a cigarette and walk off. If it's something little like that, yeah. But I feel it's like that worthy, I just go at it.
Can you stand still?
Yes, sir.
All right. What makes you get, I mean, when you get mad over simple stuff, what do you mean over simple stuff?
Like when people get to trying to take stuff from me, or
Well, that's not simple
people try
stuff,
to
sir.
treat me like
I would get mad if
I'm
somebody
a
was trying to
second
take
class
something.
citizen.
Now, have you completed high school? The street outreach.
I believe yep, I had too many elective credits to graduate. I had like, I don't know, like four more elective credits, and but yeah, I ain't want to do it.
Why not?
I can apply
Can you stand still,
for
sir?
online school and really.
Mr. Lanton, can you stand still?
Yes, sir.
Question, have you already been in Covenant House before? Were you already a part of that program? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened?
I just left early because I was agitated with the staff. I didn't have no bus fare to get to work, and they wasn't trying to give it to me because I was being angry and a little aggressive.
So why do you think you can go back into that program if you didn't leave on good terms?
I feel I could. Well, what from which point of view? Can you elaborate?
I'm asking from your perspective. You said you previously were in it. You left on bad terms, and you're asking the court to put you back in.
From my perspective, I think I could go back in that program because I'm going to sit down and feel me, get to working on what I needed to. When I first went in there, I wasn't on the same mindset I was on right now. I think if I go back to Covenant, I'll really get my life together because you feel me. I told them I wanted a job, and they came in tomorrow. Then the next day, some job applications, and then they took me to the site so I can get the job, and I kept that job for like a minute, like a long time, as long as I could ever have. And then they gave me alternative housing where they was gonna pay my rent and whatnot for a couple months. And I think I could get in that program and be a quiet person. You feel me? Stick to myself.
What I want
give
you
me
to
a
do,
job
sir,
in there.
Listen. After listening to you, I want you to get some mental health counseling. All right, we got a mental health court, right? And I just want you to be able to talk with somebody. They can get you some housing immediately if you choose to get in this course. I'm not gonna order you into this. I want you to do it on your own. They can get you housing immediately. And I just want you seem to have a issue with anger. You mentioned to the court that you were in Covenant House and you withdrew from Covenant House on your own because you weren't happy with the staff, they doing something. So are you willing to talk to somebody in our mental health court? And at least get an evaluation?
I really don't want to. I don't feel I'm mental or
It's not
nothing
about
like
whether
that
you,
sort.
and listen, sir.
I just think I need some help and maybe a therapist.
Well, that's what I'm saying, sir. It's not about we're not saying you're mental, don't use those terms like that. That that's all this is about. Maybe you get some help from some therapists. Maybe they can help you with your anger issues. And because it seems like your anger issues are preventing you from moving forward.
True. That could be good.
It sounds like everything else you're willing to do. You're willing to work. You're willing to do these things. You want to do these things. But for your anger issues, it's precluding you from moving forward.
Right.
Would you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
So mental health court, I mean, they call it mental health, but it's for just for that. Give you somebody to speak with regarding the anger issues. Maybe they can give you a little counseling. Maybe they can give you some alternative ways of dealing with some of those things. Because what you're saying, I'm ready to work, Judge. I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get my life on track. That's the first thing you said. And that's what we want you to do.
True.
And if you go ahead and if you take care of that one issue that you're talking about, you can go a long way in life.
Right.
But if you keep letting,
But I'd rather get in the alternative housing program that you was talking about, though.
All right, let's call the mental health is even better. They got immediate housing for you. Now that doesn't say that you're gonna get it. They might evaluate you. All I want you to do is take the evaluation. They may evaluate you, and then they may say, no, he doesn't qualify, or no this. And then we got to speak of other means. But the mental health court is going to be immediately. If you qualify, they can get you housing immediately. And they'll get you the job, and they'll get you all those other things.
Right. That sounds good to me.
But I mean, it sounds good to me too. That's why let's get the mental health court on the line, and let's just talk to the gentleman, get the value, and speak with them. You may or may not qualify, but it doesn't hurt to talk, and it's not going to cost you anything. All right.
All right.
All right. I'm going to pass it. As soon as they get on the line, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him, and then you'll discuss that with them. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. Let's move on. Let's Miss Gunn. What, Miss Gunn?
Yes.
Yourself, please. I told you to put some clothes on. You come in here with barely anything on. And you don't have is that part of your outfit, your headpiece there?
This is my scarf.
Yeah, well, take it off.
Okay. Okay.
You come in, wait a minute. She comes in with a tank top on and no skirt. And then I tell her to put some clothes on. Then she goes and puts the t-shirt on and then puts the scarf on.
It's
now, what's
early,
your first
Robert.
name, man?
It's early. You know you gotta wake up and feed your brain. We don't wake.
What's your first name?
Sienna.
S-E-A-N-A?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, this is the, I'm sure I have all of your cases together. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Sienna, India, gun, case number SP 1106257-1, SP 1106277.
Miss Spates.
All right, you're gonna have to keep quiet. SP 1202103, counts 3 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record. State your name, ma'am.
Sienna.
Your
Gun.
whole name. Your whole name.
Sienna India Gun.
All right, Ms. Gunn, good morning to you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay.
I don't know what this offer, I don't know what he's writing on this offer sheet. All right, let me see here.
It looks like she has tickets for no insurance, driving while license suspended.
Yeah, it does. It seems like, let me look her name up here.
I know. I switched it. I know.
She has, 1, 2, 3, 4 open cases. She paid a violation driving in an unsafe manner, which was, she paid $170. That was for, let's see. She also paid an expired plate, $145. Let's see. She also paid a no registration. So she's paying. Let's see what else she's paid. I don't know what this interfering with a government employee and then driving while, where's your license, ma'am? You don't have a license?
No, sir.
Well, why you keep getting behind the wheel?
Cause I ain't got nobody to take me nowhere, sir, when I need to take care of business.
Why don't you go get a license then?
I'm trying to go get my license, but I gotta get this off my case.
No, you don't. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna allow her to, I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee for the one case. That will give you clearances. You go get a driver's license and bring a driver's license back, and I'll dismiss these other cases, all right?
Sir, I got another ticket to pay off
Where?
at the 38th District Court in East Point.
Well, can you have a license by May 3rd?
I gotta wait till they give me a court date. But yes, I should.
May 9th, that's 60 days. Can you have a license by then?
Yes, sir.
All right, what I want you to do, ma'am, is I want you to come down here. You're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and, no, I'm gonna waive that. I'm gonna waive that. So she doesn't have to come and go anywhere. I'm gonna waive that. You're gonna get, a clearance here when I waive this fee. And once this fee is waived, take care of what you gotta do in East Point. And you go get a driver's license, you understand?
Yes, sir.
And then when we come back on May 9th, I'll dismiss this stuff because I see you paid a lot of money. How old are you?
I'm 25, sir.
Miss Hatcher, is this driving in an unsafe manner? She's got points. Is this gonna affect her from getting a license now?
Probably. I mean, I don't know the rest of her. I don't know the rest of her driving record, so. But I would think so.
come back on May the 9th and try to get a driver's license, all right? All right, now,
I'm sorry, can you repeat that for me?
I said, come back on May the 9th after you take care of East Point, try to get a driver's license and let us know what the status is.
I know, sir, East Point like waiting on me to get this off, but I end up getting pulled over again not too long ago.
From
She
where?
was waiting on me to remove this off my case.
Well, this is pending. Tell her we're waiting on them. What, I should call her over there. No, East Point, no, she got it. I gotta get her name, but no, that's Coleman's daughter is, in Harper Wood.
Oh, okay.
Tell her I said I'm gonna dismiss the case if you come back with a driver's license. Let her know that, all right?
Okay, sir.
All right, so I'm waiving this reinstatement fee, so you should have clearances after today down here. You should, these open cases shouldn't affect your license. Take care of East Point and then come back on May the 9th. If you have a driver's license, I'm gonna dismiss the cases, all right?
Okay, sir.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too, thank you.
All right, good morning, Case Manager Curtis. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Lanton. We're gonna see if he qualifies for some mental health court, all right?
Okay, not a problem.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And Owens, when you are, I was just like letting the court know, Judge.
Mr. Lanton, join the room, okay?
Mr. Lanton.
Mr. Lanton.
Look, he stepped away from his phone. There you go.
Mr. Lanton, join that breakout room.
Can you send it again? My phone is dysfunctional.
Join the breakout room.
It went away on my screen. I can't join it.
All right, Mr. Warbling, are you ready on Miss Owens?
We are, Judge.
Let's go back on the record. Miss Alicia Owens. I'll give you an opportunity to speak with the city attorney in the breakout room. What does your client want to do?
She's requesting a trial before Your Honor, and in the interim, she's going to take the defensive driving course.
Trial May 3rd, 2022, 9 a.m.
That was May 3rd, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Owens, do you understand everything?
Yes, I will return back on Zoom May 3rd at, I believe, 9 a.m.
There you go. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you as well.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Owens, I'll be giving you a call.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Great. Mr. Potts.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you, Philip?
Good. Yeah, I'll just let you know my client is in office with me. He's sitting right here.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is City of Detroit versus Philip Joseph Moats, case number 217-29203. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P7607, on behalf of Mr. Motts, who sits to my left. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Philip Motts.
All right, I don't have an offer. I do have an offer. Improper plates, $240 fine. Dismiss upon payment of the $240 fine and dismiss the other charge with stipulation of probable cause. All right, he has absolute right to a trial if he wants to. What does your client want to do, Mr. Potts?
He'd like to enter a guilty plea, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Moat?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I understand, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
No, I didn't hear that.
No, sir.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention to back to August the 14th, 2021 at around 8:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Carvin and Foreman. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer?
Yes.
Were you operating a 1995 Ford, sir?
98.
98. It looked like a 5. 1998 Ford?
Yes, sir.
Was there something wrong with the, did the officer ask you to produce insurance, a valid insurance on that vehicle, sir?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea to the amended count of improper plates. With stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm going to dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. I'm going to fine you $240. I'm going to dismiss that upon payment. That's a misdemeanor. That's a 0 points. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And furthermore, that will be dismissed as soon as you pay. When can you pay, sir?
Tomorrow, or can I do it today?
I mean, Your Honor, he can actually, because since he's in my office, he can probably head down to the court and pay today if it's going to be in the system.
All right, well, I would suggest he pay that at any DIV kiosk in the city of Detroit, or he pays that here down at the court. He can download that DIV app on his phone. I'm going to give him until March 11th. I'm going to set it for a review at 8:25 a.m. If he hasn't had it paid, I need to see you, sir. If you got it paid, then you're free to. You don't have to come back, and we'll dismiss the case.
I can pay today.
Yeah, just go down to the court.
I'll be able to pay today, right, sir? Your Honor.
Yeah, he's gonna head down to the court from my office, Your Honor.
Very well. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Grant Cortez.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Yeah.
I don't see
You just need to pay it. Here's the only one.
Grant.
Yes. I think his review is in a couple of days.
This is the City of Detroit versus Cortez George Grant. Case number 19-410-240. Count 1. That's not on the docket. I guess he's supposed to be here in a couple of days. He's here early.
Yeah, it was on the 16th, but last time when I came to I had the hearing last month on the 8th, I said I had everything paid up by today, and I paid everything at 36.
Appearance
I
for
just
the
got to pay
record.
the reinstatement fee.
You're muted. You're muted, Ms. Patrick.
Good morning. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Cortez George Grant.
All right, we're gonna close it out under failure to display. I do see that he's paid. He doesn't owe the court any money. Congratulations, Mr. Grant. If you don't have any further questions, sir, have a great day.
You as well, Judge.
All right. You're free to leave.
All right.
Okay. Who's on the phone? 346-3669.
Lionel Gaucher.
Gaucher, Lionel.
Yes. Yes.
Have you did what you're supposed to do, sir?
Yes. Ticket. Got ticket number. I got the receipt number too. I had to go down there and do it.
Hold on. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Lionel Gaucher, case number SP 11299-571. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Hello?
Ms. Hatcher?
I think I froze. What's the name of the case, Your Honor?
Lionel Gaucher.
Okay. Good morning. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of Mr. Loche.
Gaucher.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, Gaucher. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Lionel Gaucher.
All right, Mr. Gaucher, I told you I would dismiss this case upon payment of $240. It appears that you satisfied that your terms, so I'm going to satisfy mine and I'm going to dismiss the case. All right.
Yes.
Mr. Gaucher, we're not going to be back and forth with this again. You understand me?
I know that.
You already know that, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
All right. Who else do we have? Juan Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
You don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
I'm here for a trial.
All right, we're gonna wait on that, officer. You got about 25 minutes, so sit tight, you and Mr. Griffin. Let's go to Mrs. Gould, Mrs. Gould.
Yeah. Mr. Gould.
Mr. Gould.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Give me the pronunciation of your first name.
That is Christopher.
Christopher. All right, great. All right, that's the first time I've seen it spelled that way, but it's spelled like it reads. It reads like it's spelled. But Christopher. All right. Listen, there's not I want to treat this like a one-stop shop for you, sir. And I don't have all your cases with the offer here. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Have you ever had a driver's license?
Yes, I have one. I have a valid one right now.
You have a runner's license, please.
Do you have insurance or?
Yeah, I have insurance, full coverage on my current vehicle. I don't own that Magnum anymore. I was
Your Honor,
told to just show the registration and proof of insurance of my current vehicle.
Thank God he doesn't own that Magnum anymore, right? That Magnum was causing nothing but problems, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You have proof of insurance and registration?
I got the registration right here, but the insurance is digital.
All right, his license is valid.
do you want him to email the insurance to the court?
Yes, he tell him to email. I'm gonna send you my email address in the chat. Comes to court prepared, that's for sure, right? All right, I'm gonna send me, you got the information in the chat, sir?
Oh yeah, I got the info.
All right, send me the insurance and then you said a copy of your a registration. What about this plate thing, the failure to illuminate plate? Did you get that fixed?
Yes.
That's on that Magnum.
I don't own the Magnum anymore.
All right, what kind of car do you have now?
I got a 2014 Grand Cherokee.
Oh. All right, send me that information, sir. We'll call you and get you out of here.
Okay.
Mr. Curtis,
Yes, Judge.
did you have a chance to speak with Mr. Lanton?
I did, Your Honor. And so he is eligible for mental health court and he does want to participate. So he'll be a good candidate.
All right, so how do we do this now?
So you would just sentence him to mental health court and you can put him on Judge Holmes' docket for next Wednesday, the 16th.
So. So, March the 16th, where is he? Mr. Lanton. Frozen. He's frozen. Mr. Lanton, are you there? All right, let's move on. I'm waiting on Mr. Gold's he's off of there now. All right. Trial. All right, what about Mrs. Tiffany Garrett? Are you there, Ms. Garrett?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Tiffany Nicole Garrett, case number SP 121-24301 and SP 121-24331. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Tiffany Nicole Garrett.
All right. Let's see what the offer says, if anything. Michigan defensive driving, like I thought. Based nature of the allegation, speeding 16 to 20 miles over the speed limit, 52 in a 35-mile-an-hour zone, the city attorney is asking you to take the Michigan defensive driving class.
Okay.
Look at this, Tiffany Nicole Sanderfield. It's mixed up here.
Uh-oh.
The bottom one is right.
Yeah.
It's got some reduction. Or did you get your name changed, ma'am?
I got married recently.
Well, let's look up Sanderfield then.
Oh, yeah, I think that's right.
Oh, well.
Yeah, I made a note of it last time.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, let's see what else you got. You got plenty of tickets sitting down here then, huh?
Yes.
That name change didn't work, did it?
I wasn't, that's not why I was using it.
Oh, okay, I didn't know.
Oh no, I actually got married to the guy I love.
Oh, okay. I didn't know, I thought you tried to.
No, I'm actually trying to get all of it done so I can be on the correct path.
Well, according to the allegation, if you slow down, then you may be on the correct path.
I'm on it.
Let's see.
I'm on it, Judge.
I would go with Grant instead of Sanders. So now, what are you now? Are you?
I'm a Garrett.
Garrett. I'm sorry,
Yes.
Garrett now, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Sanderfield is all jacked up. All right. Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Sanderfield. Tiffany Nicole Sanderfield, case numbers C5-33536, count 1. (19-524-959) counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for, we already put your appearance on the record. So, first and foremost, the city attorney probably still wants you to take that driving course.
Okay, I will.
It seemed like Garrett is following in the same footsteps as Sanderfield.
No, that's why I'm here. So
The same thing, the same charges, driving my license suspended and speeding. And Sanderfield doesn't stop at stop signs and she speeds.
This is my new slate. Once I get it all clean, Judge, I promise.
Well, I need to get her an offer on all of this stuff. And we'll, there's Mr. Lampton there. I need to get her an offer on all of this stuff. And then we'll move on to, what she's gonna do with these tickets. So let me pass the matter. Have the city attorney come in here and get you an offer.
Okay.
The Michigan defensive driving, I'm gonna put that in the chat for you. And
Okay.
if you elect that, you can take that down and but I like for you to have an offer to know at least the minimum of what he's gonna offer you if you take the course.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah, I got you. All right.
I'm having a bad signal on my phone because I got the lowest plan ever because I'm not really in a financial state. So if I leave quick, it might not be because of me.
All right. I understand.
Thank you.
Are we ready to call him back, Judge, so he could go for the
Yeah.
day?
I'll take that information down in the chat right now, Ms. Garrett.
Thank you, I have it.
All right, we're gonna, Mr. Goss, are you there? All right, we'll get Mr. Goss in here. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Drayson Lanton.
Yep, you got it right that time.
What did I say? It, pronounce it for me.
Drayson Lanton.
Drayson Lanton. All right, good. I'm glad. All right, Mr. Lanton, I think everybody is excited for you, sir. Mr. Case Manager Curtis, you understand he had a good conversation with you. I'm excited for you. I think this is going to be a good start to getting you back on track and getting you to deal with some of that anger issue. You can't be getting mad at every little thing, and they're gonna kind of help you with that. And also, I'm sure if you qualify, they can get you some housing and get you on the right course. All right.
Right. Appreciate it.
Mr. Curtis, I have to sentence him to this trespassing.
No, you would sentence him to mental health court and then kind of switch everything to Judge Holmes.
So am I
If that
saying
makes sense.
he's got to plead guilty to trespassing then?
You know, I'm not sure how that works.
Why don't we get this?
What about not pleading non-consent or no content?
Hold on a second, sir. We're gonna see how this works specifically, because I would like him to not plead to anything if we could.
Right.
But let's see how that works. Can you check into that for me?
Yes, I can. I will.
All right, very well. Let's go. We'll pass it again, Mr. Lanton, and we're going to see how that's going to specifically work. And I'll let you talk to your attorney about it and everything, so you fully understand what's going on. All right.
All right.
All right. Let's move on. For the people that have trials waiting, you all are winning right now. You got 10 more minutes. Y'all are winning. Okay. Are you waiting on a trial too, Miss Darlene? You're not waiting on a trial. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are.
I'm all set, Your Honor.
No, not yet, sir. Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
You got to sit tight for me, all right?
All right.
Yeah, y'all are winning. All right. So we don't have anything. Oh, Mr. All right, I have Mr. Bruno. All right, what I want to do, let's recall the case of Christopher. Is that? I'm going to make sure I'm pronouncing that right. Is that Gould?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, Christopher Gould. I tell you what, he's cool as a cucumber. You don't seem to get
This nigga's so fascinated with this shit over here.
Hey, Mr. Lanton.
Sorry. I'm
Now you about to make me mad now.
My bad.
And that jail time you were talking about is gonna come into play.
No, I don't want no jail time. I'm good.
All right, so watch your mouth, son.
Okay.
I'm gonna mute your phone so you don't, so it doesn't happen again. Mr. Gould is cute, is cool as a cucumber up there, isn't he? No reaction whatsoever. Let's see. He provided me documentation that he has current registration and current insurance. And what do we have? Insurance, effective equipment. He's got a driver's license. And the speeding he already paid. So what I'm gonna do, sir, is I'm gonna dismiss all the cases, all right? You provided valid documentation. Is that gonna get some reaction out of you? No, no. All right, sir. If there's nothing further, have a great day, all right?
Appreciate it.
Case.
Oh, I didn't call the case? Hold on a second. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Gould. Case numbers SP 121-32871, SP 121-92841, SP 121-93081, SP 121-33051. Appearance for the record, please.
Murray Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Christopher Gould.
All right, Mr. Gould. I'm going to dismiss the cases. You provided valid documentation.
Appreciate it.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right. Did you find out the information, Mr. Curtis?
Yes, I did, Judge.
Then what do we have to do?
So you have to transfer his case to Judge Holmes, and then we'll take care of everything. So I do see he does have another case with you. So you can send over the 2 cases to Judge Holmes.
I didn't see that. Let me see what you're talking about.
Okay.
Should be in the file on the ROA.
Okay, I see. Very well. Where is this file? What did I do with it?
Your Honor, before I give the recommendation.
I have it here. All right. Let's also call this. Let's recall the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Dreeshan Amir Lanton, case number U5976571 and U634534422. Appearance for the record, please.
Murray Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Jason Lanton, stating his name on the record.
All right. I think Mr. Lanton can do our job if he gets his attitude together, his anger management together. All right, Mr. Curtis, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Jordan Curtis, Mental Health Court Case Manager.
All right. So right now, what we'll do, Mr. Lanton, what we're going to do is we're going to transfer your cases over to Judge Holmes. Judge Holmes is very good at what she does, and we have a very good mental health program. If you follow along and you do as required, and you don't get upset or quit or drop out, I'm sure that they're going to put you on a path to success, sir.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And if you don't, then you can go down another path, which you already expressed that you don't want to go, right?
Yeah, I'm tired of selling weed. It was fun while it lasted, but I'm tired of selling weed.
Mr. Lanton,
I'm being honest.
Mr. Lanton, there's some things you just don't say to people, all right?
Okay.
All right? Some things you just want to keep to yourself.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna transfer this case. Is that just all I need to do? Do I need to sign some kind of order or something like that, Mr. Curtis?
No, Your Honor, I don't believe so. You can just transfer the two cases to Judge Holmes, and he'll be scheduled for Judge Holmes next Wednesday, the 16th.
Can somebody notify me the Zoom room number too, please?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you that. Do you have give me a good phone number for you, sir.
It's 810-336-1856.
Let's get a Zoom ID. That's gonna be March the 16th.
Okay.
Next week, March. You write this down?
Yep, March the 16th. I remember that for sure.
All right, and then here's the Zoom room, 360-133.
Hold on. I thought you was texting it to me.
Your Honor, I can call Mr. Lanton. We're scheduled for an intake later this week, so I can call him and give him all the information.
All right, very well. All right, Mr. Lanton, good luck to you, sir. And don't go tell him, forget about all that stuff you said earlier and leave that stuff in your past, all right? Unless you get a license. Unless you get a license. And if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you. But Mr. Curtis is going to call you and get you the Zoom information and everything you need to do, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You as
well. All right, let's get some of these people, well, not quite yet. Mr. Griffin, you got a lot of other stuff going on. You know that, sir?
Traffic. You hear me, Your Honor?
You're breaking up a little bit.
Oh, yeah, I guess traffic.
Yeah, a lot. So we're gonna, what about this Juan Gonzalez? Okay. All right, let's get going. Let's call, we're gonna call you last, Mr. Griffin, because we got a lot of stuff we need to take care of for you.
Okay.
But here we go. Let's get the city of Detroit versus Juan Gonzalez Garibaldi.
Yeah.
Case number 217-291-781. Appearance for the record, please.
Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Juan Garibaldi Gonzalez.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial is now 9:30 a.m. We do not have an officer present. We ask that this matter be dismissed.
All right, I'm gonna, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. The officer's supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. I give him a half-hour grace period. It's past that time now, 9:30. I'm gonna dismiss the case, no officer. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
You guys
You too.
will it. All right. Miss Darlene Lewis Fuller.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you, sir.
Have you been enjoying yourself this morning?
Listen, any day over the ground is a good day for me.
That's good. I like to hear that. But we really want you to enjoy yourself in our courtroom now.
Okay.
And you're gonna get a dismissal here.
Ain't God good? I wish you could see me shouting.
I see you laugh. I've been seeing you laughing up there.
Because you are hilarious.
This is the city of Detroit versus Darlene Lewis Fuller. Case number V10423-619, V10423-619. V10423719 and V104239, strike that, V10423819.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Darlene Lewis Fuller.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. It is now 9:32 a.m. We have no officers present on these matters. We do request that the court dismiss per no officer.
Look how big her file is. Why is her file so big? She has lawyers working on this stuff. So you didn't need a lawyer this time, huh?
Nope.
All right. I guess you didn't. Well, you got a good one anyway, online, so.
Oh, wonderful.
So this is, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. It is now 9:33. No officer. I'm gonna dismiss the cases. No officer. There's nothing further. Ms. Fuller, Lewis Fuller, you have a great day, ma'am.
You do the same. Be blessed.
I will try. I hope I am.
Oh, you are. You
I
are.
will.
Somebody wish they had this day. God gave it to you. I got a nephew that's 18. One was 16. They both were killed. So if you're alive, you winning.
Yeah, I know that's right. I'm sorry to hear that about your nephews, but I truly believe that myself. All right.
Yeah. Good day. Look.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Griffin.
Yes, sir.
You know why I held you back a little bit. Yours is gonna take a little time.
Okay.
Judge, have we talked to everybody else? Or are you still waiting on Miss Garrett?
I'm still waiting on Miss Garrett for, let me
And who is this Brianna Gunn? Is that Miss Gunn that you've already?
She was already here earlier.
So
That's
she just
Sienna.
hasn't signed off.
It's just Sienna.
Oh. So we're just waiting on an offer for Miss Garrett and then Mr. Griffin.
I'm gonna remove her. Okay, let me get Mr. Goss in here.
So Mr. Griffin, do you have any documents today? License, insurance, looks like it's mostly license tickets.
I can probably answer that answer.
No.
Okay.
That's why he's here. To get back on the road legally, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Mr. Buster is back.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Come on.
This other person has a ticket in here today?
The other day. Why he keeps moving back in. We've got a trial date set.
We don't know. So I mean that
These other tickets that you have here, we're gonna be able to set a court date. What did Mr. Luster?
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I was trying to make sure I had this right. Yesterday, I had this video. I had a problem yesterday, and the lady told me to make sure I learned how to do it. I apologize. I hope I'm not interrupting.
No, man, you don't have it. You got it right. I see you on the video. You know how to raise your hand. You got your audio connected. You gonna be ready for this trial coming up?
Yes, sir.
All right, then have a great day, sir.
Thank you as well.
All right. Mr. Luster, you got these, Mr. Griffin, you got
Yes,
these cases that are new that aren't set for trial today. We're gonna have to set either a trial date or something.
okay.
We're gonna discuss all of these civil infractions. Are you working, sir?
No, right now I have filed for disability, sir. I had a leg injury and it was my tibial fractured and all of that. Like
Well,
I
that's
have
gonna heal up.
no, it's like it when it healed, it mend it's like mended, like my feet, like when the bone healed, it's just mended like flat. Like I had a fracture, the shattered tibial, whatever they call it.
How do you plan on paying this stuff? You got stuff you've been into years ago that you haven't paid.
I guess a payment plan. I'm gonna have to get it done.
All right, let's call the cases that are not right now. This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Griffin, case numbers SP 9627921, SP 991874, counts 1 and counts 2, 18384670, counts 1 and counts 2, 18453964, 19507384, 19507384, 2072077, counts 1 and counts 2, and U 4537711A. That's under review. Appearance for the record, please.
Mario Griffin.
You don't do this, Hatcher.
Sorry about that. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Mario Griffin.
All right. For the cases that are set for, well, you know something? There's none set for trial.
No, it's all free trials today.
Trial and review. Well, what we can do, We can set a trial date for all of these matters. Let's call the other cases then. Also, City of Detroit versus Mario Griffin, case number SP 11479668, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11863971, SP 1244306, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9627921, SP 991874, counts 1 and counts 2. Let's also call State of Michigan versus Mario Griffin, case number SX 203-50061. It's called 13-489-4762. 13-510-6021. $18 384670, counts 1 and counts 2. $18 4539-641. 19 507384, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the record, please.
You want my appearance again, Your Honor?
Oh, you put it on there already.
Mm-hmm. All right, here. I mean, we can set all these matters for trial May the 3rd. What I will do, she's an updated offer. She said she'll agree to go to driving court. She can do driving court. What I want to do is I want to take care of some of the matters that he has. You want to go to trial on all these matters, sir? Just see if the officers show up on that date. I didn't know all that. I thought these were set for trial, but it was
Yes,
set for
sir.
at 9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, and I just wanted to say, like, I have been in custody in Wayne County. They won't never bring me to court for traffic. You get what I'm saying? I done bonded over the course of the years, but it's like, you know, I just had got out, and then I had these traffic calls, but like they from the, you know, like they were never, I don't know, was it taking me serious, or I don't know what the matter was. I'm like, I got traffic warrants. I don't understand how that even go, but I'm ready to set it for trial though, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to set all the matters that are pending for trial May the 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
May 3rd.
In that time, sir, what I want you to do is I want you to get me some information on your incarceration.
I just was released from, I just did 30 days in Macomb County. And I got a proof, I think I got a proof of incarceration in here right now.
Well, have all that on May the 3rd.
Okay,
And what you did in Wayne County too.
okay, but I haven't been in Wayne County in like a few years, you know what I mean? But I'm saying I have been, I'd have been in custody in and out. You get what I'm saying? I like not in and out, but I have been in there, but I have been released with the traffic holes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know exactly which dates those was, but I'm not, I wouldn't lie to you.
In Wayne County, you should be able to get that information. I'm trying to give you some credit for what you've already done.
Yes. Okay, Your Honor.
As for case number, and this is, I didn't put this in the record. As for case number SP 6168121, 2, and 3. Those are civil infractions that were had in 2016. What I'm going to do for your client is I'm going to waive the late and reinstatement fees for those.
Okay.
So if you get them back to the original ticket. Case number SP 9594381. I'm going to waive late and reinstatement fee. For counts 1, 2, and 3. Get them back to the original ticket. Case number SX20350061. That's something he entered into in 2016. It says he owes $264 on that ticket. I'm going to waive the late and reinstatement fees on this. I will look at that again if he provides me proof of, his incarceration. So you're gonna have to do some work, sir, in getting that together.
Yes. I don't know, how do I contact Wayne County to find out all the time I done did in there, or how do I go about?
Yeah, you know Wayne County's number. You've been in there before.
Okay, that's
In
all
Macomb County?
Yeah, I got the paper for Macomb County right here because I just recently
Well,
that's how
keep all that. Go get Wayne County and Oakland County and any other county jails you've been into.
Okay, I had did I don't know exactly what time frame it was, but I know I did like 4 months in Oakland too. It was on a what you call it, but I did 4 months in there, man, and then that was
So
years.
you're wreaking havoc in every county in the state of Michigan, aren't you?
No, Your Honor. My girl used to stay out there, and I ended up getting pulled. I got pulled over out there. My baby mama, my daughter mom stayed out there, and
He's got these delayed sentences. He pled guilty under a violation of Marijuana Act, and you know this marijuana stuff is it's essentially legal, and now that was in 2018. It's under a delayed sentence. Right now, I'm gonna waive late and reinstatement fee for U453771118. We'll revisit that on the date. Uh, 13-489-4762 will waive late and reinstatement fee. Thirteen 5106021 will waive late and reinstatement fee. Eighteen 384-669 counts 1 and counts 2 will waive late and reinstatement fee. And then the rest of them are set for trial. May the 3rd, 2022, 9 a.m. Sir, if you want to do some community service, I can afford you that opportunity to take care of a lot of this stuff. I'll give you credit for $20 for every hour of community service that you do. That's going to be up to you if you want to take that advantage of that.
okay, sir.
All right. May 3rd.
Okay.
Come on back and we'll see if we'll get some resolution of a lot of this stuff on that day.
Yeah.
And if you want to do the community service, that's up to you. All you got to do is say the word and we can get you hooked up with somebody.
Okay, I'll see you May 3rd. I'm gonna try to get them all them proofs, my dates, time served. I mean, on a proof of incarceration.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right.
Ms. Garrett,
Yes, sir.
all right, I have an offer.
Okay.
Civil infractions report 2020, no offer. If you take the class, depending on how you do.
I'm in the
minimum-
process of taking it now.
You are?
Yes.
Well, take some, no, I didn't tell you. Take notes, ma'am, because here's the deal. If you, the more, okay, and be ready to, let's go back on the record. We're back on the record with Miss Tiffany Garrett, AKA Tiffany Sanderfield. Be ready to in open court to tell us what you learned from that class so that you can get the better offer, because at the minimum, he's gonna offer you a limited access 6 to 10 over. That's a 1-point offense. But if you do very well in the class and you take good notes and you let us know what you learned, he'll offer you a blocking traffic. That's a 0-point offense. And he'll dismiss 19.5. He'll dismiss 2 of the other cases.
Okay.
So I got the plea offer here. Just come back on May the 3rd and make sure you do well on that class.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
hoping that you convince him to do the best he can with that offer, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're taking the class now, good. May the 3rd, 2020. Let's set it for trial for those dates, Ms. Hatcher. So we'll get a resolution 2022 at 8 a.m. We're gonna get a resolution to all of this stuff on that date.
Okay, you said at 8 a.m., Judge?
At 9 a.m.
9, okay.
All right.
Just make sure you
any-
have that class completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have any other questions, ma'am?
No, not at all.
And what I'm gonna do on the civil infractions that are in default, I'm gonna waive the late and reinstatement fee for all of those.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. So I'm gonna do that. And that'll get you started on some all right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and good luck to you.
You as well, Judge. Have a great day. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
We all done?
Yeah, you say that now, but yeah, we're done.
Okay, have a good one.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.